Even though I don't feel good with money, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I spend it much faster than I can make it, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have shame when I think about my money habits, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. I feel shame around money. I feel shame around how much money I make. Consciously, I know I deserve more. But something's not clicking. I make some money, but just barely enough. I always feel behind. Making more money feels impossible sometimes. Why does it look so easy for some people? Everybody but me. Sometimes I think this way. And I'm choosing to reframe that now. I choose to see the success of others as a good thing. I choose to feel happier when I see others win. Even if I feel a little jealous at first. Even if it's uncomfortable. I choose to become more comfortable with money, with practice. I choose to feel more confident in my ability to make money. I am resourceful. I have unique skill sets. And I am a hard worker. And I'm allowing myself to build an identity around making money that actually feels easy. I can be the kind of person that makes a lot of money. I can have a large amount in my savings. I am simply deciding this is who I am now. I am simply deciding that my relationship with money improves starting today. I am simply deciding that I am capable of attracting any amount of wealth that I desire. I am simply deciding that I am worthy of any amount of money that I desire. I feel good when I have money. I love the vibration of money. Money loves me. Why is it so easy to make money now? I relax and I attract more money. This feels amazing. In body, mind, and spirit. Inhale through the nose and exhale. Please let me know how you liked this session. I hope this helped you with your relationship to money. And as long as you continue to practice this new identity, it will start to integrate in your life. So be diligent about this. Be willing to commit to something like this for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and you will absolutely see change. If you want to go deeper into this practice, my money ritual specifically dives into this, and you can take as long as you want to continue with this specific practice, knowing that you are targeting exactly what you want. You will eventually absolutely get exactly what it is that you want. Continue with this practice. Keep going. You got this.